what is happening? Welcome back to a brand new video. So today we are off to Mimms. So first things first, let the oyster win. Let's go. So yeah, it's gonna be a mad one today. Hopefully take the car on the strip and that, and take out James to his first ever show. So yeah, I'm gonna bring you along the way, show you what it's about. Let's go. So we've just queued up and there's DC5s everywhere, so yeah, I can't wait to see what's going to turn up. I can see one in the background with a sick diffuser, there's two behind me. Yeah, it's going to be good. James is a Civic, and then we've met up with Josh in his EP3, so yeah, it's going to be good. In the queue now, so yeah, some lovely Hondas about. There and Jazz, I think. Enkei 2. Right guys, so here we have an EP3. I'm not a massive fan on the old EP3s, but I wasn't anyway. But until this show, man, the EP3s that was at this show was absolutely mental. So look at this one here, carbon bonnet. It's got Enkei wheels, it's got Corbo seats, it's like fully stripped out. There's an intercooler on the front, so whether it's turboed or supercharged, that can be your guess. Like some of them look absolutely wicked. Like, as you can see from this one here, this one looks the absolute nuts. And then as you see, this was probably my favourite one, man. Enkei's carbon lower lip, and as you guessed it, a big fat turbo. Like, look at that. That is dream. Sidewinder kit, lovely like bronze rocker cover, intercooler pipework. Look at them wheels, man. Honestly, the AC wheels are so popular because everyone's got them. Lovely Sparco seats. Never been mad fan on Sparco, but unreal. Lovely carbon fibre dash. Yeah, again, wheels absolutely sexy. Carbon boot lid, cut out in the rear bumper, and look at that exhaust. Like, that exhaust looks mental, man. Cage. Go on, one more for the camera. So we had a little walk around the show, as you saw, and there was a lot of loud music. So you're probably thinking, what was the voiceover? So basically, if music is played in the video that's not more music that I choose, if it's like chart stuff or whatever it may be, the owner of that song can actually take over the video kind of thing, if that makes sense. So the little pence we make on YouTube, that'll kind of take it. So that's the reason behind the voiceover. And I was a bit skeptical about video in the day because every single thing I had to do, I would have to do like a voiceover, so I'd have to take the noise out of the video and add my own like I'm doing now. So imagine me getting rid of the clip and just adding a voiceover. Obviously I've never done voiceovers before, but that didn't sound too bad apart from people coming to the front door. But anyway, I did a couple of clips on the show and stuff. Not as much as I should have. I should have done like a full-on walk around and shown loads of different tags and stuff like that. But sometimes I get lost in the moment and my head falls off kind of thing. I was a bit nervous again. Still, it's a long time videoing in front of people and all this kind of stuff. So anyway, no excuses. But the next clips you're about to see, we actually went on the strip. I didn't want to do loads of runs because I was scared about snapping a drive shaft. Obviously, the car's 107,000 miles. I don't know if them drive shafts are new. I don't know if they're old. I don't know if they could be one launch away from being snapped. So I can send it on the road, no problems, mate. But I was scared because I've saw through the day loads were getting snapped and stuff. Anyway, so it was 45 quid, unlimited runs. I was like, I only wanted to do like 2-3 runs maybe. So me and James, good old James, we broke our strip virginity on the day. So as you can see in the video, so I did 2 runs. I did 1 run, which was my first run, was the best run I did. And the second run, I managed to like launch it. He didn't want to launch it because he was scared about snapping his drive shaft, whereas I thought if I'm gonna do it, I'm doing it. Do you know what I mean? Like if I'm gonna launch it and warm my tyres up, I'm gonna snap them shafts. But I don't want to do it too much to risk snapping the shafts, if that makes sense. So as I did my little burnout and it kind of hooked on the tarmac, on the dry tarmac, and it went boom, 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 like the wheels bounced like mad, and I was like, oh shit. And then I got to the point where I was about to go, like the line where they stop you, they go, whoa, stop, stop. And he told me to get my GoPro off here, and literally, like, oh shit, pulled the GoPro off. And then by the time I'd pulled the GoPro off, the car was like, the lights were going 3, 2, 1, go. And I don't know if you can see it in the video, but I don't think I got the launch properly. Like, it was literally like, I think I just literally got to my launch control as it thingy. So my head was gone. And then I did my strip and I was like, I don't want to do it again because of how that made me feel. Someone said slip the clutch, so don't like, I was coming straight off the clutch and letting it grip up kind of thing, so I was doing it wrong. But obviously I'm here to try and shine some light on you guys. So someone said like, flat on the accelerator, and then like, instead of dropping straight off the clutch, just ease into it, if that makes sense, which does make sense. But at the time doing it, I was just like, send it. So yeah, we did that. We got a couple of clips, me and James and that, which was quite good to be fair. First ever run. So he's got like PS4's M Factory LSD 360 brake. He was running, I think the best time I did was like 13.9, something like that. I did 2 runs, I got 14.7 and I got a 14.2, which was my best run, which was my first one. Obviously I've got 3.5 degrees camber. I've got AR1s. I'm not finding the AR1s the best, you know. I don't know if it's because the camera's so aggressive, but like first, second gear, finding it spins up. And I thought for 230 brake with a factory LSD, I don't think it's that good. So guys, obviously, if you're watching this, you probably enjoy Santa Pod. You know about Santa Pod. I know Tegs and that ain't going to be the fastest car in the world, but I was expecting a bit more. I don't know. The driver's obviously there, you know what I mean? So yeah, right, I'll let you crack on with the video. I hope you enjoyed it this far. I'm sorry it took 4.5 minutes, but thank you for watching. I really appreciate it, guys. And let's get on with the video. Peace! Recording? Yeah. Right, guys, it looks like someone's bought a strip. So we're going on the drag strip. Hopefully we don't snap anything. Obviously me and James have never done this before, so this is new to us. I can send it from the lights all day long, but the fact that there's a crowd and it's sticky as well, some people are saying it's sticky, some people are saying they're spinning up in like 4th gear at like 250 brake, but yeah, who knows. So yeah, we're gonna bring you along the strip and see how we get on. So yeah, here you go. Oh my god, fucking hell, I am shitting me pants. Ready? Fucking hell.
Pop your window up.
Nice, man. Yes, man.
Yeah, boy!
Nice.
Got the
Nice,
win!
man.
Oh, that feels so like wobbly, you know.
Yeah.
Oh,
That was sick.
oh, we got the win!
Nah, you did right.
Oh shit! Oh,
That was controlled.
started spinning though.
Yeah. And you did a little burnout as well. Yeah, nice.
Yes! I didn't really. I went and then went. Oh, no good racing. Got nothing on JCal. Oi, that was nervy as fuck, man. I can't believe, yeah, how much, like, it's mad. You don't feel like tarmac on, like.
Nah, it was quite like juddery, wasn't it?
Yeah. Well, saying that, the camber don't out having so aggressive camber on it. Imagine if I was running like 1 or 2 degrees and I had more tyre on the thing and that.
Yeah.
I thought I snapped the drive shaft or something, you know, when I come off the.
It fucking jolted a bit, didn't it?
Yeah, so we've done that. Sweet. Right then, here we go. So James, this is James's first time in his supercharged Civic. So
Wish me luck.
yeah, he don't know how he's going to approach it. I'm nervous for him. How you feeling now? You stomach going?
Yeah, I'm alright.
Yeah. So yeah, let's see what we can do. So hopefully it's going to be a good one. So let's go. Yeah. So you don't have to launch it if you don't want to get the tyres wet and that. You don't have to.
Where am I going?
Just stop there.
Don't film me right straight away.
Nah, you'll be alright, man.
Film
You'll
me
be
front.
alright. Right, so hopefully this is going to be good. Oh, go on, son, get the smoke. You nervous? Oh yeah. Whoa. That's got an exhaust on it, so that should be like 400
I ain't
brake.
racing that.
Nah, oh, you'll be alright, man. You'll have that. Forward more. You've got to go to the line, man.
What
She'll probably guide you forward a bit, maybe. Yeah. Oi, we're gonna have this S3.
Immediately on the light there.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was quite straight.
Do you feel like it tugging at the wheel or no?
Not a little bit, but I had one hand. I thought I was gonna have to like fucking like that and back onto it.
Yeah. Yeah, not bad. Wonder what you got. What do you reckon?
Took me a while to get momentum.
Yeah. Like I slammed it straight away.
Yeah.
We'll see.
Is he?
Woo, smell car.
Is he already? Oh yeah, he's done his, isn't he?
So you don't have to launch it if you don't want to get the tyres wet and that. You don't have to.
Where am I going?
Stop there.
Don't film me right straight away.
Nah, you'll be alright, man.
Film
You'll be alright. Right, so hopefully this is going to be good. Oh, go on, son, get the smoke. You nervous? Oh yeah. Whoa. That's got an exhaust on it, so that should be like 400
I ain't
brake.
racing that.
Oh, you'll be alright, man. You'll have that. Forward more. You've got to go to the line, man.
What on?
She'll probably guide you forward a bit, maybe. Yeah. Oi, we're gonna have this S3. Ready? Ready? I'm racing. What, sorry? Oh, take it off. Oh, fuck's sake. Ready? That did worse than I expected, to be fair. He said you were going to give you a head start. Yeah, looks like we are, bro. Looks like we are. Ready? Let's go.